How to fix something unusual has happened while trying to access a file needed for the update. So here's one thing you can just go ahead and do. So first of all, you can go ahead and search for service over here. So go to search bar and just search for services. What you're gonna do here is just click anything and then just type on V and find your VGC. What you're gonna do here is just go ahead and press on stop. So if you can, just go ahead and press stop. The next thing you can go ahead and do is just run your Riot over here as administrator. So close that up first. So just go ahead and close the Riot client, go to your hidden icons over here and right click the Riot client and make sure that's fully closed. You can also make sure it's fully closed in your task manager, but if it's no longer here, it's usually already closed at that point. But just go ahead to your Riot and just run it as administrator this time. Then just press on yes. If it asks you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, make sure you press on yes and go ahead and do whatever you were doing in the first place to see if the error still persists. But that's one way you could potentially fix this little error on your Riot. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.